This is the PAI water pump, manufactured for Cummins N14 engines. The PAI part number for this water pump is 181812, which is a direct replacement for OEM number 3803605. Engineered for superior coolant circulation, the pump features a robust cast iron housing for enhanced durability, along with a galvanized steel impeller that resists corrosion while delivering efficient coolant flow. It is also equipped with a 6-groove pulley, ensuring optimal belt engagement for smooth operation. The kit includes all necessary gaskets, seals, and O-rings, simplifying installation and guaranteeing a secure fit for reliable cooling system operation. PAI, world-tested, performance proven.